Hello guys, greetings. This is your boy Ahanaf and I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So I'm here to bring you the awesome agency CRM. I'm gonna share the whole agency package I usually offer as my most MVP template. So starting off with the CRM, here you can see the bird view pipeline. That is the Kanban of your trajectory of the current leads, which I'm gonna go with the in contact if you're in contact with them. And here internally you can see there is a client onboarded or SOPs. If you see a client, you're gonna know what's their requirements is, what's their pain points. So you're gonna write everything how you're gonna reach to that solution of that pain. And you can also embed a loom here and show that you're in progress of how you're dealing with the client. So here you can see if it is qualified, just you can drag and drop here, or if it's onboarded, and this is gonna go here. And you can do the Slack automation as well. When it is onboarded, notification will automatically send it to the team channel and where they will handle the client. All right, so moving on, here you can see this is the client management. This is actually the CRM embedded here as a view. And the pipeline is here. This is the calendar meetings. You're going to set up the meetings here. This is the lead section. And this is all the CRM section. It is a gallery view for you to see the horizon of it. So this is the quick add menu. And this is the SOP template. You can use it to, get things done as well. So now this is the agency classic version. Classic is packed with the social media and the task management. All right, so this is the client management. It's up to the CRM, but now we got master task management where you can have the task status, it's a Kanban, and the task list with priority, content calendar, the social media ideas, and your services and what are you selling to the clients. So here you can see like Notion design and video editing. All right, so here you can see the agency classic has this SOP and everything in the CRM plus this social media, that is the marketing. So the marketing has an email draft, a code draft. You just have to select this button and here you can see a draft and you can just undo it, Ctrl+Z. So this is going to go with the undo. So this is another thing. You can just get to make your own custom made options as well. Just select this edit button and you show the confirmation. And you can just have to write the insert blocks, which blocks you are going to show as a template. So there is some strategies here for regular pricing code, proposals, and if you are using any stores, I'm using currently Gumroad, you can use your store strategy and email marketing strategy as well. This is actually embedded AI. Just click space and you'll have an AI. So just make sure you use up to this marketing channel because this AI is made to write draft an email, make an agenda, or you can do anything with this AI. All right, so this is the brainstorming area for AI or copywriting or whatever that is. So moving on, we got the content creation. That is the new feature here, and here you can see that the content pipeline. This is current pipeline ideas. All right, so all platform calendar. This is every single platform you're going to use. The platform you have YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. You can add more platform if you like for your agency. And here you can see this is filtered voice only for LinkedIn. All right, this is a filter. Only LinkedIn will be shown here. And this is a filter for YouTube. This is a filter for Instagram. All right, so you can have to plan your content in here. And there are some templates. This is the templates for content calendar and Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So you have to just click one of the template. So here you can see the LinkedIn template. Here you can see the brainstorming ideas you can use. Here you can make the LinkedIn post. This is the text post or slide post or reel post. All right. Here you can see this is a LinkedIn post. You just have to click space and the AI will pop up. And then you can type what kind of content you want of your LinkedIn. All right. If it is text, then write it in the text box here. If it is slides, then write the ideas or the inspirations, the content going to have here. This is the power of AI and Notion. All right, so this is so far the database of content calendar. For the agency HQ premium, I'm going to make a separate video because that premium one is very compact with a lot of features, and everything in the classic will be included there, but it has more features for teams when you are scaling as a team. It's more of a solopreneur, this classic one, and the CRM, but when you have teams like team dashboard and automations, and I think the premium would be the best for you. So thank you for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.